I really don't care how I look in videos. Ooh, don't look at my legs. Those things are ugly. Here's another package. I don't really know who this one's from. I guess we'll figure out once I open it. Package came ripped or whatever. I don't even think I need scissors. I'm like, you know, okay, I do know who this is from. Here's the receipt. Ooh, the receipt of my address. Well, this is from Shop and on Instagram. It was a giveaway I won. Well, I can't, honestly. I don't really think it was a great win. I won like $20 and a pair of gloves. But, I ordered a pair of gloves. Expensive. You can literally get these at the Dollar Tree. Dollar store, 99-cent store. They didn't send the other glove. I don't really think it's a good deal when people have giveaways for money and then you pay shipping because shipping is expensive. I got the sample pack. It's 2, 4, 6. You get 7. I guess they sent like another piece, but this isn't actually much of a great deal, and they forgot the other pair of gloves. So I thought it was going to be bigger pieces, but the pieces are actually really small. I could have got the regular bar soap. I don't want to sound ungrateful because I'm grateful that I won $20, but the shipping and I still paid, so ooh, don't look at my legs, they're ugly. I'm gonna smell these. Hopefully they'll get back to me because they didn't send the extra gloves, and I personally wouldn't order from them the sample pack because it's misleading. The samples on the website with the picture, it was literally like, I'll show you, like the sample size was like this thick for like one, so that's why I ordered. But they're really look, it's like literally this thin. I wouldn't have paid $20 for it. $19.99. I'm just being honest. This one, like, I don't know, you can't really smell it, but let me see. Can't really smell it. I don't really know what they are. I wish the names were on them. This one, like, you can't really smell it, so this color is actually really pretty. Like, I can smell some of it, but like, smell this in this bag. Honestly, I don't really like it. I know this one is the turmeric one. I'm trying to see if I can smell. I don't really want to open them right now. Completely open them. They all literally have this smell, the same smell right now. I can't smell any through the paper. One smells like, I don't know. I can't think of if it smells like grape or not. I have no clue. I think this is like rain or something. I honestly don't know. Okay, this one actually smells good. I don't really know exactly what none of these are called. I have to look them up. But there's this one, this one, this one, this one. I know one's supposed to be like a hair soap. I want to say it's this one, but then again, this looks like oatmeal. There's this one. This one. This one. $20 for these tiny things. No. If the bar was like I said, like this size for half the bar, like the website said, then okay. But 20, no. 19.99, no. And they forgot my gloves. If I knew that they were this small, I would have ordered just a full bar soap, because I feel like if you get a full bar, it's hopefully gonna be bigger. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I personally give my honest opinion, so if somebody gets mad, feels like someone's ungrateful, being harsh, I'm giving my honest opinion. Like, take it or leave it. I'm not trying to be rude. Like I said, I'm not trying to be ungrateful. But I feel like the best thing to do to help your business and customers buying and they're spending their money is to be honest, so that the person could see what they can change, see what they can improve on. I paid 11 something and I got a $20 credit. 8 shipping is flat rate, understandable, but I feel like they should throw in at least 2 full sizes of something or 3 full sizes of something, so that the person's getting their money worth. I've already talked to them. I already suggested something, so it's all gravy. But my opinion, is that worth $19.99? Absolutely not. Just what I think. So make sure you guys subscribe, comment, share, and like. Drop down some natural soap places. I don't need to buy any more soap. I got enough soap to last me 2 years. But yeah, I'm out. Peace.